Have you ever traveled in the middle of nowhere or gone on a walk in the mountains and discovered something unexpected? The sense of discovering something strange in the middle of nothing is disturbing. It might just be human nature. Let's see if these discoveries spike your curiosity or make you feel uneasy. Here are some unexpected objects discovered in the midst of nowhere. A drone enthusiast exploring a forest in Germany in 2015 discovered a network of underground bunkers believed to have been constructed by the Nazis during World War II. The bunkers were well preserved and hidden from the public eye for decades. The discovery raised questions about the purpose of these bunkers and their historical significance. Some speculate that they were used for secret research, storage, or as a command center during the war. This finding underscores how technology can reveal long-forgotten historical sites. The mummified fairies. The story began with a video that went viral on the internet. The video featured a man who appeared to be an urban explorer, claiming to have found a wooden box containing mummified remains of tiny humanoid creatures that resembled fairies. The man stated that he found the box in an abandoned house in the countryside. He presented the mummified figures as if they were real, ancient, and mysterious entities. The video quickly gained widespread attention, and many people were captivated by the idea of discovering evidence of mythical fairies. Advancements in drone technology have allowed researchers to capture detailed images of the famous Nazca lions in Peru. These enormous geoglyphs created by removing the reddish-brown, iron oxide-coated pebbles that cover the Nazca desert surface have puzzled experts for decades. The newly captured images reveal previously unseen geoglyphs and patterns, sparking renewed interest in deciphering their purpose. While some believe they had religious or astronomical significance, the full meaning and methods of their creation remain a topic of ongoing research and debate. Gunkanjima, also known as a battleship island, is a small island off the coast of Japan. It was once a thriving coal mining community, and its unique, densely packed apartment buildings earned it the name Battleship Island. The island's residents abruptly abandoned it in the 1970s when coal mining declined. Over the years, the structures deteriorated, creating a ghostly, abandoned atmosphere. A drone pilot's footage of the desert island highlighted the eeriness of the place, offering viewers a haunting glimpse into its past and its current state of decay. Off the coast of Sicily, a diver and a drone operator discovered a series of large stone blocks arranged in a circular pattern on the seafloor. This underwater structure, resembling the famous Stonehenge in England, captured the imagination of public and researchers alike. It's unclear when and why these stones were placed there, leading to various theories, including the possibility of an ancient archaeological site or a more recent art installation. The mystery of this underwater Stonehenge continues to intrigue and puzzle those who study it. Some of these mysteries have been unraveled over time, revealing natural or historical explanations. Regardless, they remind us that our world is rich in hidden secrets waiting to be uncovered.